This video was made, created by me ZS0020 Prime, leader of the Defenders and master of the Skybase. I am also known as ZS Prime, ZS0020 Prime, and Sylveon Prime. And nobody has any permission to use this video without my permission or authorization. This music was made, created by me ZS0020 Prime, leader of the Defenders and master of the Skybase. I am also known as ZS Prime, ZS0020 Prime, and Sylveon Prime. And nobody has any permission to use this music without my permission or authorization.
Good early evening, night, it's almost the next day, 11:36 a.m. I did this video a few hours ago, but I didn't have a chance to post it, so I'll post it now. The following video you're about to see is of this strange cat or kitten that I've been seeing by my window. I saw this kitten or cat today. It will be the third time. It was the third time that I saw this cat. It's just an interesting, cute little cat, so I thought I'd just make a video. And I thought I'd show everybody how my cat was reacting to it. My cat being my cat Luna. So without further ado, here's the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. This is the neighbor's little black cat. This is the third time I see this black cat over here. I don't know who this little cat belongs to. But he's completely and totally black. Hold on. Let me turn off some of the other lights. There. Now it's easier to see without all those reflections. Who are you and who do you belong to, Mr. or Mrs.? So your little buddy Luna has returned, huh? And here's my cat Luna staring at the cat. Like, you see, his tail is wagging, but he's just completely calm, and he's just... Oh, the cat just went to the other side, probably. Okay. Now let me turn my lights back on. Well, actually, this light I was going to turn off anyway. Luna! I know you're excited, but don't be tearing up the freaking curtains. Or vertical blinds, whatever the hell you want to call them. Now, where did I put this? Oh, there's the freaking remote to the lights. Okay, just turn that one on and this one on. That way I can see what the hell I'm doing in here. Okay, let me place that where this belongs. I'm assuming the cat's on the other side over here. Let me see if I can even see anything here. Watch it, Luna. I do not want to step on your tail. Oh, there he is. There you are, little fella. So you're over here. Just who do you belong to? Well, you're not going to be able to come in here. Luna, take a chill pill. I know you're excited, but he's not coming in here. Jeez, cat. Luna. Oh my goodness, kitty. What are you doing? I know. You want to meet your little buddy. Or I don't know if you... Well, you're not hissing and your fur is not up. Your tail is just wagging. Well, that's probably because the cat isn't getting any closer to the territory. Who do you belong to, little fella? I was wondering when I was going to see you again. Now, this little I'm not sure if this is a kitten or a cat, just by the size it could be a full-grown cat. I'm not sure if it's a female or male. I don't see any color on it at all. So I have no idea. This little guy wants to play. Or girl. This cat just wants to play. I know you want to come in here because you're curious, little fella, but I don't want you in here. I don't know where you came from, and I'm not letting you into my apartment, little fella. I don't know who you are. And I don't even know how Luna will react. I mean, Luna's just over here sitting, staring very intensely at the cat. But, as you can hear, Luna isn't hissing or growling. He's moving his tail slightly, but that's it. Just who do you belong to, little fella? Okay, I need to cut this video. There. I had to cut the video in several parts, otherwise if it's too long, my phone likes to freak out. Just who do you belong to, little fella? Well, you're not meowing at me or anything, you're just curious. You have to belong to somebody, since I've seen you multiple times, like 3 times already, so you have to belong to somebody. Question is who? Who do you belong to? It looks like this cat doesn't want to try to... Okay, the cat just went out there. And you're going over there to the other window. You're not going to see him, Luna. He went to the other apartment. He probably belongs to neighbors or something. Don't know. It's just 3rd time. Ouch. Hold on, I gotta lift everything that I knocked down like a blithering idiot. Okay, good. Nothing broke. Luna, watch it. I already tripped once. Okay. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was that interesting video about an interesting cat that I saw come near my window earlier today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you all in my next video, whenever it is and whatever it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody next time. Have a good day and night, everybody. Bye.